So dear parents and students, welcome back to another video in TestprepKart channel. I believe you're doing great and staying safe. So what we'll discuss in today's video? Well, in today's video, we will discuss about the engineering admission process in Karnataka. So all those students who are targeting Karnataka, they want to pursue their graduation, essentially BTech or any engineering college from Karnataka, please watch this video because this video is going to be very informative. Typically what happens, like suppose if you are someone who is targeting any college. So for that college, you need to clear the entrance exam, right? So in this video, we have categorized the entrance exam into three parts. The first one, national level entrance exam. The second one, state level entrance exam. And the third one, college specific entrance exam. So we'll go to each of this entrance exam. We will see what are their respective patterns, what are the major colleges covering that entrance exam. And in the meantime, we'll discuss about the admission process. And again, after this point of time, you still have any doubts, any queries, any cures, feel free to write in the comment section below. Let's start this video. So let's start with discussing about the national level entrance exam. So national level entrance exam, as everybody knows, this is only one, right? That's JEE Mains. So JEE Mains is a national level entrance exam, which not only give at colleges in Karnataka, right? This is entirely for the India, number of colleges in India. Number of colleges in India. It opens a gateway to many colleges, top colleges, mediocre colleges, and below the mediocre colleges. So you need to qualify JEE Mains. If you qualify JEE Mains, then you are entered into JEE Advanced. Now JEE Advanced opens gateway to 23 IITs in India, right? So Advanced is about the IITs and Mains is about the top colleges, which covers government, top private, semi-government, central level universities and colleges, right? Now, the key criteria is very simple. Like if you are someone who is targeting to clear this examination, what is the basic eligibility criteria? That's very simple. You just need to clear your class 12th with minimum of 75% marks in your physics, chemistry or mathematics. Optional may be biology or computer science. That depends from student to student, right? That is just a choice. I cannot do anything. Now, this is applicable for the foreign students as well. So, Indian and foreign have the same criteria. You visit our blog site, which is www.testprepkart.com/JEE/blog single PHP ID 267/DESA CIWG participating college programs offered. So, you'll have more information about this thing, that what are the major entrance exam, what are the gateways, right? A complete information. Meanwhile, we will covering in here also. Now, what are the colleges under this entrance exam, the national level entrance exam? As I just told, if we're talking about this advanced, right? Mains and then advanced. So if I'm talking about JEE Advanced, that opens only gateway to the IIT. In this Karnataka, we have this IIT called Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad. Again, this is a new IIT. So this opens a gateway to this IIT. If you clear JEE Mains, so there are various colleges, n number of colleges, as I just said. Top colleges, not top so colleges, right? There are many options. So let me tell you, this is like NIT Karnataka, right? Which is in Surathkal. Then we have Christ University, then we have Jain University, we have PES Institute of Technology, Manipal, MIT, Acharya, Alliance, Riva University and much more, right? So it opens a gateway to many number of colleges. That's you don't need to worry about. Now, let's discuss about the state level entrance exam. So we discussed about the national level entrance exam. Now we are discussing about the state level entrance exam. We are specifically talking about the state, Karnataka, yes. So in the Karnataka, there is a state level entrance exam that's popularly known as Karnataka Common Entrance Exam, that is KCET, right? It conducts once in a year and it's an offline examination. There are usually two papers, paper 1 and paper 2 of duration 1 hour 20 minutes. This is in total, right? And if you clear this entrance exam, then there are 211 colleges in Karnataka in which you can take admission. Now, you have 211 colleges. How can you take a call, right? That's a very important question. Now, this usually comes in the student's mind that how can I take a call? Well, that's very simple. You visit the site of that particular college. This is one thing. Then you visit what is the placement scenario of that college, because ultimately this BTech is a professional course, right? So what is the placement scenario in that college? If you are someone who want to dig in much, then go to the placement scenario course wise. Like I'm interested about computer science. Maybe you are interested towards metallurgy or electrical or anything else. So department wise, go to the placement scenario. Now in the placement, as I always say, don't go with the average. Go with the median pay package, because that median pay package will give you an accurate figure, right? What is the placement scenario in this particular college. Post that, there are various factors. I have made a separate video on this, like how can you choose a random college, right? What are the major aspects that comes in your mind and how it will fit to the college, like what is the demographics, right? What is the alumni network, exposure, market value, branding, much more. Okay, visit that video. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? Let me tell you. For the KCET, which is Karnataka Common Entrance Examination, the eligibility criteria is like very simple. You just need to clear your class 12th with a minimum of 60% or 70% marks, and 60% in the case of a reservation or reserved category students, 70% or above for the general category or the foreign nationals. Okay. It says that minimum of 45% marks or higher education. To be on safer side, to queue from the just like competition, I suggest student to score 60% or more in like all the subjects, mathematics, physics, chemistry, or whatever it may be, right? Then all the documentation that you need to do. So I typically suggest student that if you are someone targeting, or if you are someone wishing to, pursue your engineering courses, then hit hard in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Then you go to any random state and then just choose the entrance exam, that what is the entrance exam prominent in that state, and then follow the instruction rest. Well, before I move forward and explain the further aspects of this presentation, let me announce a very important part here. Now, this is for the NRI students. So, for the NRI students, we have prepared an NRI ebook, right? That is related to DASA and CIWG. You can download it from the link in the description below. So, we have a compiled set of NRI ebooks that will not only help in their preparation, but also this defines the basic strategy to attempt the examination, right? And many of our students have performed so well in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and state level entrance exam. You will have the testimonials maybe after this video. Okay. So this is about the DASA and CIWG. Let's move on and discuss about the other aspects here. So what are the major colleges which accepts KCET score? So I'm talking about particularly the government college. Government college, because their fees are low, right? And the return on investment is really high. Let's take a very simple example. Like suppose if you're targeting IIT, the fees will be like somewhere between 10 to 12 lakhs, max to max I'm talking about, but the return on investment is time 2, right? Times 2, times 3, times 4. That depends upon how much you take from that college. Similarly, in the government college, like if I talk about SKS, JTI Bangalore, this is the fee is 65,000. This is a total fee. I'm talking about total fee, 65,000. 65,000 for 4 years. Then SKS, JTI Evening College, this is 3.2 lakhs. Then Government College of Engineering College, which is in like Hassan, Haveri, KRPate, Raichur, Ramnagar. So this is somewhere falling in between 2.9 lakhs to the maximum of 3.2 lakhs, right? So this is the government college and these are the top colleges. Typically, when you clear this particular type of examination, always prioritize your colleges. Go to the government college first, then semi-government college, then see the placement scenario of that college and then finally choose, right? Don't go to any random college because there are many colleges in India, to be frank, right? 219 colleges. So you have to take a call that which college is good for me or where I can perform better. Alright, let's move on. Now, what are the college level entrance exams? So the college level entrance exam in this state, which is Karnataka, is common. That's a very popular exam. COMEDK, right? That's COMED in undergraduate entrance exam. This is basically for the UG courses, basically BTech courses, right? It happens once in the year, online examination of 3 hours. And normally the test takers are 58,000. So let's take it 60,000. Okay. And there are 131 colleges again. So in that state level entrance exam, you had around 200 colleges. And in this college level entrance exam, only this COMED, you have 131 colleges. That's a huge number. Visit the site, which is www.comed.org. You'll have more information about this thing. Let me tell you about the basic eligibility criteria for this entrance exam. So again, you need to clear your 10th and class 12th with minimum of 45% marks or above. So again, on the safer side, score 60% or above, because maybe they can change their criteria or maybe anything can happen, right? This is very high time, So 60% of above is the basic eligibility criteria, must be having physics, chemistry and mathematics in their class 12th and biology and computer science maybe as an optional paper, right? Again, some paperwork. So this is about the college level entrance exam. Now, as I just told, there are 131 colleges in COMED. So let me tell you a few colleges. What are the top colleges? So MIT, right? MIT, that's Manipal Institute of Technology, but this college is a little expensive. If you are financing it through loans, then maybe you should think about it. 17 lakhs is the total fees of MIT. Then DSCE, that is the Anand Sagar College of Engineering. Just contrary to this, this is 4 lakh. And then RVCE 3.2 lakh, BMS 2.8 lakh, and likewise, right? So you have this college list in front of you. Acharya College of Technology 2.98 lakhs. So at this point of time, I just want to ask you viewers that what do you think about the college fee? Why the college's fee are so high in some college, and why the college's fee is like mediocre in some colleges, and why the college's fee is so low in few colleges? So what is your viewpoint? I just wanted to know, like, how you categorize. Is the fee that you are looking as one aspect, the fees is higher, I will not go to that college? Or what are the other aspects that hit in your mind when you see this particular type of things? Alright, please comment that things in the comment section below. Alright, now let's discuss about the admission process, that what are the basic admission process in here. Well, as very simple, right? If you're targeting any college, then you are actually clearing the entrance exam that particular college. So for that, you need to do the registration work. So go to the site, register, upload the necessary documents, do the sign up thing, right? Then you will be getting admit card, right? You go to the admit card center or exam center, give the examination, clear the cutoff, then there will be the counseling process done by the institution, college, university, or either by the state, and then finally bingo, right? If you're done, then you are into the college. You'll be given provisional admission, submits all the necessary documents like your mark sheet, from whichever category you belongs to. If you're from open, that's not a problem. And then you're done. Enjoy the 4-year and learn best out of it. So this is about this video. Again, if you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And this is all about this video. Alright, I see you in the coming videos. Till then, keep practicing, stay motivated. Thank you. Bye-bye.